Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are well. Now in this video we will learn how to connect the database to your Laravel project. So for this connection, you have to read the documentation of the Laravel, and I'm going to my phpMyAdmin. So my local host, this is my warm server I already mentioned. There's a phpMyAdmin. I'm logging in my phpMyAdmin, and we will create a new database. So I named is as a Laravel React. So create the database. So here is my database. I have to change. I have to update my env file so I can find from like here. So here's my database name. My user ID is root and password is empty, and this port is 3301 because I'm installed my MySQL in 3301 ports. That's why I use this uh, because I have already installed the XAMPP. So XAMPP used 3306. That's why I use 3301. And go to here, and there is some table already here in Laravel. Well, now you have to migrate the database. So for the migration, so you have to write php artisan migrate. So might be show a error. Oh yes, what I expect. So for that reason, we have to change. I think the thing is we have to change the app provider file, because if you search with the error message in Google, so here's some idea you can find. You have to use the library of this schema file, and then you have to write these things. And if you are Laravel developer, so you already know that, but if you are new, so that could be problem for you. So this is the solution. So now you can try another time and it will work. The table already exists. Oh, that means you have to clear the table. So I just delete, and now you can check again. Well, that's perfectly created the table. So you can check your phpMyAdmin, you can find your table. So this is our existing table. Now you have to create a new table. So for creating new table, you have to write. For that reason, I'm following this documentation. So you have to write php artisan make migration, then table name. So php artisan make migration, and then your table name. So yeah, my table name would be, well, my table name would be events enter. So table is created. You can find a new table here. So open it. So this is the file and here, and you can find the other things like the user table. So this way you have to write the things like in up. I'm just copying this already existing code and paste it here. So our table name should be events, and you need title, and so I want to be title should be unique. so use here unique. So all data you can find here in this documentation. So there is all things here. You can go and check out what kind of data you need, what information do you need. So all is here. So there is the character limitations, created dates, all the thing you can find out. So go here. Well, so I don't need this. I need a date, like I want to show the event date. So event date, and I want to decimal because I want to booking money, booking amount. So that's the thing. And how many number I want to input. So, and another thing should be event images, and I don't want to token, and timestamp stamp will automatically created your created date. So that's the thing. Save. Well, now if you have this table already, then you should write drop drop if exist the table name. So table name would be events. Okay, so that's all, and go the come here to the git. So write again the php artisan migrate. So enter, look, so new table is created here. So the events table is created. We can check the structure, so id, and we mentioned the title would be the unique, and date, amount, all the things, and created ad update that is automatically comes. That's all about connecting database in your Laravel project. So in our next video we will learn the how to customize your component, and we will learn how to insert other pages in your components. So stay connected.